Mapping can play an important role in reducing or eliminating the use of fluoroscopy.
I think we all know that pulse field ablation therapy affects the tissue very different than thermal energy. We are used to point-by-point catheters and putting ablation dots on our mapping systems, and sometimes, based off of ablation indices and whatnot. But pulse field energy is different. It creates a field. And so giving me, dots to represent my pulse field application is not going to be realistic. I think pulse field tagging is probably the best way that you could show me what is that, catheter in its form factor doing to the myocardium. Where is it going? It also helps me decide how much overlap I need between lesions, between the pulses, how much additional lesion sets do I need, and also helps me figure out that I am doing continuous lesions rather than interrupted lesions.
Preliminary results from the work done by the engineers at Boston Scientific is very impressive. We're able to track the catheter, and we're able to create a field marker that is based on scientific data to allow us to predict fairly accurately the actual extent and duration of the lesions that have been applied. So this goes a long way to helping us understand the good positioning of the catheter, whether it's in contact, and also to help us understand what kind of field we're producing with individual applications. I think it's a big breakthrough.
I feel like FARAVIEW will change what we consider as efficacy now to a whole different level, just because I think we will have consistent therapy delivery.
FARAVIEW system will really help us to get more durable isolation because it will help us in trouble areas like the carinas between the veins to make sure our applications there are effective. And the FARAVIEW system is trying to replicate faithfully what the lesion actually is, and that's a big difference for us.
Being able to have a catheter that is going to be integrated within the mapping system and using that in conjunction with intracardiac echo is going to be the best way I can deliver this therapy consistently, but with additional peace of mind.